Good evening to all. Today we are discuss about +1 chemistry, volume 2, unit 14, haloalkane and haloarene, page number 235. Haloalkanes and haloarenes. Volume 2, page number 235. 235. Today we are see about SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction. 1. Unimolecular. N stands for nucleophilic. S stands for substitution. So, unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay? Define nucleophile reaction. That is nucleophile. This is substrate. In this nucleophile to attack carbon, especially carbocation. This is leaving nucleophile. The product this is substrate. This is product. This is L minus leaving nucleophile. In this types of reaction is known as nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay. Next, SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction. So SN1 reaction, unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. In these types of reaction, first order kinetics. First order kinetics. First order kinetic reaction. Second, number 2. The rate of the reaction the rate of the reaction, that is equal to rate constant concentration of alkyl halide. Concentration of alkyl halide. Third point, unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, there are 2 steps process. 2 steps process. There are 2 steps process. Next one, step 1. Step 1, formation of carbocation. Formation of carbocation. Step 1. Second, step 2, to attack nucleophile. To attack nucleophile carbocation. There are 2 steps process. Step 1, formation of carbocation. First step, slow process. Step 2, to attack nucleophile carbocation. Next, we are discuss about first step 1, formation of carbocation. Let us consider alkyl halide. In the presence of OH minus nucleophile to give ROH plus Cl minus. Here ROH product, Cl minus leaving nucleophile, leaving nucleophile. Example, carbon, Br. Tertiary butyl bromide followed by OH minus, aqueous OH minus. The product become tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol plus Br minus. This is a overall reaction. Next mechanism, step 1. Step 1, formation of carbocation. In this step, process becomes slow process. Let us consider tertiary butyl bromide. Gives reversible process, slow process. Carbon bromine bond broken to produce a carbocation plus bromide ion. Here carbon bromine bond broken to produce carbocation plus positive charge plus Br minus bromide ions. The product carbon CH3, 2 loops. Because of absence of p orbital, positive charge Br minus. This is step 1, slow process, formation of carbocation. Next go to step 2. Step 2 in this process, attack nucleophile. To attacking nucleophile, carbon carbocation to attack nucleophile. In these types of reaction become fast reaction. OH minus is attacked. The product carbon OH CH3 tertiary butyl alcohol. Next important one, order of reactivity for SN1. First, benzyl halide. Is divided into CH2 double bond CH2X. Is divided into tertiary CH3X. Tertiary halide is divided into CH3X. Secondary halide is divided into haloethane is divided into halomethane is divided into CH2 double bond CHX. This is important one. Order of reactivity for SN1. First one, C6H5CH2X. That is C6H5CH2X. Benzyl halide is divided into unsaturated hydrocarbon to attach X, that is CH2. The next tertiary. Tertiary halide is get into secondary halide is get into primary halide. This is for order of reactivity of SN1 reaction. We are discuss about 2-bromobutane. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-bromobutane. 2-bromobutane. 2-bromobutane on hydrolysis. The product CH3, CH, OH, CH2, CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bute to all. Bute to all. Let us consider reactant side. 2-bromobutane. CH3, carbon, hydrogen, Br, CH2, CH3. This carbon become optically active because of 4 different group is attached in a single bond. Optically active. H plus and OH minus. H plus and OH minus. First to form carbocation. The first step carbocations. So carbocation CH3, carbon, CH, CH2, CH3 plus. In this carbocation to attack OH minus nucleophile. So the product become CH3, CH, OH, CH2, CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bute to all. Bute to all. So bute to all racemic mixture. Racemic mixture of plus or minus. Optically active, optically inactive. Plus or minus. Racemic mixture of plus or minus. This is another one example. Okay. Next we are discuss about elimination reaction. Elimination reaction. It's very important one. Elimination reaction. What are the definition of elimination? First point number 1. Removal of atom or group. Removal of atom or group. In this reaction is known as elimination reaction. First point number 1. Second point number 2. Types of reaction become endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. Third one, elimination reaction. There are 2 types of an elimination reaction. There are 2 types of an elimination reaction. First, number 1, E1. Second, number 2, E2. E1, unimolecular elimination reaction. E1, unimolecular elimination reaction. Next, E2, bimolecular elimination reaction. Next, CH3, CH2, Br. 1 bromoethane. 1 bromoethane formed by KOH. Alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH. The product CH2 double bond CH2 plus KBr plus H2O. KBr plus H2O. Mechanism. CH3 CH2 Br. Ethyl bromide. It can be written as CH2H. CH2Br plus KOH, potassium hydroxide, to splitter K plus and OH minus. K plus and OH minus. So OH minus. This is alpha hydrocarbon, beta hydrocarbon. Alpha and beta. This OH minus ga H plus. One of the hydrogen bond shifted towards here, one. The next one shifted to give. CH2 double bond CH2. CH2 double bond CH2 plus. H plus OH minus H2O. H plus OH minus H2O. The next one Br minus. Already you know K plus to attack Br minus, product KBr, potassium bromide. Potassium bromide. First number one. Second number two. CH3, CH, Br, CH2, CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 bromo. 2 bromo butane. 2 bromo butane. Followed by alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH. There are two kinds of product is obtained. First, number one, alpha. Alpha hydrogen replace the product, that is CH2H. The product CH2 double bond CH, CH2, CH3. CH2 double bond CH, CH2, CH3. CH2, CH3. Another one of the possibility, this is one of the alpha hydrogen replace the product CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Bute 1 ene. Bute 1 ene. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bute. First position double bond 1. 2 toward ene. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. Bute 2 ene. Bute 2 ene. To compare but 1 ene and but 2 ene. But 1 ene only one alkyl group. But 2 ene to attack 2 alkyl group attached. So in this product become major product. Major product. More alkyl group, more stability. So major product. But 1 ene is a minor product. Minor product. This is a major product, but 2 ene. Minor product, but 1 ene. This is general elimination reaction. General elimination reaction. The next one. Next, E2 reaction. E2 reaction. First point number one. In these types of reaction, second order reaction. Second order reaction. Next one, the process become single step process. Single step process. Single step process. Only one step process. Rate of reaction, that is equal to rate constant, concentration of alkyl halide and base. Concentration of alkyl halide and base. This is 1, this is 1. Sum of power is nothing but order. So second order reaction, single step process. Example CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. 1, 2, 3. 1 chloropropane followed by OH minus to gives CH3, CH double bond, CH2. CH3, CH double bond, CH2. Unsaturated hydrocarbon propene plus H2O. Mechanism. CH3, CH dot H, CH2, Cl, OH minus. Tag OH minus H plus. Hydrogen bond shifter 1. This is one of the hydrogen bond shifter. The product CH3, CH double bond CH2. CH3, CH double bond CH2, H plus OH minus H2O plus Cl minus eliminate. In these types of reaction, E2 reaction, bimolecular elimination reaction. E2 reaction, bimolecular elimination reaction. Conclusion. Today we are discuss about SN1 reaction. Unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, SN1 reaction. First order kinetics. The process become two steps process. Step 1, formation of carbocation. Step 2, nucleophile to attack carbocation, SN1. Okay. The next, elimination reaction. Remove of group of atom or group anyone from the substrate is known as elimination reaction. So what are types of elimination reaction? There are two types of elimination reaction, E1 and E2. Unimolecular elimination reaction and bimolecular elimination reaction. First of all, E2. Bimolecular elimination reaction. Rate of the reaction 2. There is second order reaction, only single step process. Okay.